job for Sadie. Good girl. Yeah, look at you. Uh-oh. Yeah. Oh, get it. Yeah. Good job. Good job. You keep it. Bring it on in.
Bring it, Sadie. Bring it.
Sadie, get the ball. Get the ball, Sadie.
Sadie. Sadie, go get the ball. Go get the ball. She just like forgot she had it in her mouth. Poor Sadie. Mind is the first thing to go.
Probably walk up there.
It's okay. Crushy. Hey, crush.
There, she says, there it is. Maybe I'll remember and get it. No, there's a white bird.
There you go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was in my mouth. Yeah. Yeah. That was in my mouth. Come on, Sadie, bring it here. Good job, Sadie. Oh, she used to drop it when her brother brought it in. Get the ball, Sadie. Get the ball.
Quiet. We're playing. It's not a mistake.
Yes, ball is there.
Let's go get it. Let's get it. Bring it in.
Hey,
There you go. Come on. Bring it in. Good girl. Come on.
good girl. Take the time.
Yeah.
Good girl.
It would be Sadie time.
Quiet. Naughty.
Good job, Sadie.
Good girl. Good girl. Good job.
Thank you, Sadie.
Thank you. Yes, you did. Good girl. Yes, you did it. You did it.
Jake wants to move on. Should we move on? What do you think?
Trixie.
Go look at you. Good job. How old is this one? How old is he?
8.5 years.
He looks like he's older.
Yeah, so both on the 8.5.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
So it's getting a little bit older.
Sadie, you want to go this way? Let's go this way. Come on. Atta girl. Come on.
Well, wait a minute, Mom.
Come on, girlfriend. Good job. Good job.
Good job, Sadie. Come on, Sadie. Come on, Sadie. Come on, Sadie. Sadie! Come on, Sadie. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're going, Sadie.